These are Vtech Kidi walkie-talkies with the 6 super features, unlike all the analog ones that are just FM transmitters. These are supposed to be digital, encrypted digital communication. So when you transmit between these two devices, no other device can pick up the signal, unlike all the FM transmitters that we used to have, which are still available cheaper. This one cost me $49.95. I bought them from JB Hi-Fi. You can buy them from other places. So let's see what we have here. We have safe and secure connection. So there is a digital connection. You're not gonna lose the connection, and there will be no interference. Walkie-talkie, voice changing effect, picture messaging, 2-player games, and backlight display. And we will check them one by one. It tells you here you can try it, but it doesn't show you much. It just show you random animations. There are different color, purple ones for girls probably, but we got the blue ones. What else we have here? They need the 3 AAA batteries each. Some pictures of what the display looks like. 6 AAA batteries, 3 for each one. And let's open it and see the device itself and see how it works. User manual again will be scanned, and you'll find it at the end of this video if you want to have a read. These are the two devices. One is blue and one is black. Okay, so let's turn them on. Where's the volume? This is the volume. Okay. So we have, this is the walkie-talkie button. You have to press both, I think. And if we talk with this one, hello, 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 you can hear there is a voice, and it's supposed to be a robot right now. Hello, hello. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. So now if I talk through this one, my voice should be something like a mouse, and you can change it to a robot and to echo I think, and normal speaker. Let's try the mouse. I will talk through this one, and you can hear here. Hello, 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 hello. 1 2 3 testing. Doesn't sound like a mouse. Let's change it to robot. Hello, hello. This is a robot. I am a robot. Not really. Echo sound. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? And this is the normal sound. anyways, that's the walkie-talkie. It's a basic game. Let's see what kind of games we have. We have cards, settings, treasure, something, bicycle. And let's go through them. This is, I think we guess press OK. Yeah. And now you can see we got invitation to play. You can accept or reject. Let's accept. Now they're both connected with the game. So what to do now? Okay, so finding the matching cards. Now this plays. I think this one was the key. Yeah. Play more. Okay, now. Okay, this one was free. No. Anyway, this is game. Let's go to something else. Connection lost. Let's play this one. Got invitation. Let's see what happens if we reject. Okay, you get a message here. Let's play later. So accept. And what is this? Okay, so you need to find the treasure chest. There are these boxes that you need to find, the one that has treasure in it, and some of them had bombs, whatever. Anyways, let's make this making invitation. Let's see, what is this? Accept. Oh no, not this one. Accept. This is racing. I don't think they are running independently, but I think the score will be. Anyways, this is not the best game. What is this? You hide something and the other person should guess. Okay, now need to guess which one has the hidden item. Correct. Now that's it. Oh. Let's guess again, and only this time we'll make the wrong decision. All right. We check this, we check this. That's it, that's all the games. Let's see the settings. Looking for connection. Maybe this is for pairing, if you want to pair the devices. Yeah, they are paired. Anyways, we try. Let's see the messaging. Picture messaging, as they called it. Send. Got a message. Yes, that's the message. Looks like this one has backlight, this one not. I'm not sure. You get the idea. So that's pretty much everything. Game, the what do they call it, the walkie-talkie, and the messaging. Let's see, this is not switched to walkie-talkie, only this one. If you want to connect, also will ask you if you want to connect or not. Now they are both connected. Hello, hello. Okay. So let's see, let's have a closer look. This is the volume control. This is the press to talk button. This is the messaging switch, the button you choose the messaging. This is for the walkie-talkie, and this is for the game. And these are just left and right, navigation, and OK for the selection. We have a speaker here and microphone here. So it's the opposite. It's not like a mobile phone. Usually, like in mobile phones, you have speaker here, microphone down. But because this is a walkie-talkie, you have a speaker here and you talk here. This is a power switch. We have a small antenna. I'm not sure if it's real antenna or just for decoration. I don't see any screws. Let's open this and see. By the way, the batteries are included. When you buy it, it has batteries. And I need to open this and see. Yeah, we have some batteries. I mean some screws. We'll open them and see what's inside. These are some generic Vtech batteries. Okay, let's take it apart. Okay, I'm having a hard time removing the back cover. I don't know, something holding it in the back. I remove all these screws. There is no hidden screw anywhere here. But still cannot open it. I don't want to break it because I tried to force it and I got a little crack here. We can see what's inside. There is not much going on. Just let me zoom in and focus. As you can see there is a small chip here and another chip there. Crystal in the middle. Yeah, not much going on. And this is manufactured in the manufacture date of 2019. Anyways, that's it. the Kidi Gear walkie-talkie from Vtech, and this is the user manual. Thank you for watching. Okay, before we go, let's see the range. It says up to 200 or 650 meters, the range, or no, 200 meters, and this is probably American stuff. And yeah, I cannot test it, but I will switch this on and I will go to the backyard and we'll see if it will work. Hello? Yeah. We'll leave this here, we'll go to the backyard and I will transmit a message and come back, see if it's recording or not. Okay, I'm still going to the backyard. Okay, now I'm in the backyard. Can you hear me? I don't know if it's transmitting through the walls or not, but we will see. Coming back. Okay, I went to the backyard and let's see. Okay, now I will go outside and leave the phone, the walkie-talkie here in the room, and I will go outside the house and walk in the street, and we'll try to record or transmit something and see if it's gonna record. If not, I probably will not add this. Coming back. In the other room. Right, let's see. Let's check now.